everyone, I'm sitting down in the gallery today, and this morning I've just made this little concertina book. So it's just got a front and a back cover and a couple of little strings, little leather strings, and then I've just done lots of little scenes inspired by all the wildflowers I saw when I was on the last trip. I've got another one here that I didn't do this morning. Similar thing, this one's an acrylic one, and it's just some local beach scenes. So another sort of one I've done is just two little covers with a strip of canvas down there and two little pastels, and I've done these. It was a little experiment. I did these by putting a piece of acrylic straight on top of the pastel and then gluing the acrylic around the edges to the backing board, and then I put a little mat that's not behind the acrylic, and so that just keeps the pastel from moving around. I really quite like that idea, and I might do some more of those. If you're interested in knowing how to do any of these, just leave me a comment and I'll get a tutorial up for you. Okay, have a great day. Bye for now.